Namaskar students. Today we will understand difference between syntax and semantic error. So basically we have two types of error, compile time error and runtime errors. And again we can divide compile time errors in lexical phase error, semantic phase error and syntactic errors. So basically in your class 12th, it is in brief that what is the syntax error and semantic error. So let's come to the syntax error. It is referred to the rules that the regulation for writing any statement in a programming. So now in the syntax error, it refers to the rules and regulations of writing any statement in a programming language. That means you need to follow your rules and regulation of programming language. But in the syntax error, that means it is referred to the meaning associated with the statement in a programming language. The next difference is it does not have to do anything with the meaning of statement. There is no problem if you are having any meaning error of your statement. That is not associated with that. But in the semantic error, it is all about the meaning of the statement, which interprets the program easily. So it should be a meaningful statement. In the syntax error, the statement is syntactically valid. It follows all rules. So we should know all tokens, we should know how to declare variables, how to know, like you are using keywords and you are using punctuator, then all should be properly according to your rules and regulation. Yeah, it means your syntax should be according to your rules and regulation, and it is related to grammar structure of language. For example, like you are taking a no, x is equal to, you are taking a variable and you are giving false. So false, it is no, it will create a syntax error because you are writing small f here. If in Python we know that it should be capital FALS. So it is a syntax error. But if we talk about the semantic error, this error are handled by the runtime, and your syntax error, like you are writing a way, you are declaring a variable, but then you need to write z is equal to x multiply by, but you are writing here x multiply by y is equal to z. So that is a semantic error. Your statement should be according to your it should be meaningful statement. So this is about the difference between syntax and semantic error. Let's take some examples. Now first question is saying that for which type of error does the interpreter halts and report the error but does not execute program को execute नहीं करेगा. Then if you are reporting your interpreter halt, it is not executing, it is not interpreting your code, then it will, and it is reporting your error, then it will be syntax error. Now next question is, for which type of error does the interpreter runs the program but halt at error and report the error as an exception. So interpreter runs your program, so syntax से वो overcome हो गया है, and then it halts at the error and it is giving you exception, so it will be your runtime error. Next is, for which type of error does the interpreter runs the program and does not report an error? So if it is running your program and it is not giving you any error, but it is giving you not meaningful answer, then it will be syntactic error. So these are some three errors examples: syntax error, runtime error and semantic error.